Ka Office District Mission Coordinator SSA West Jaintia Hills Kalapinlong Daka Awareness Program Come Career Counseling Ban Pensotho Eki Khynnah School Halor Ka National Education Policy 2024 But Right to Education Act 2024 Kani ka awareness program kasdang nadu ka pratarik hadu shphotarik ya yong ha amlarem lasken bat that lasken block ha kajinya lang ka balalong ha yungwali ka lumperdi yongpia ka Dr. Waisa Sumer District Mission Coordinator SSA West Jaintia Hills kalakentu yaki Khynnah School ban long ki bat reshitom bat ndep hok ya ka kamram knang bakin la ban job bat poisha ka thong ha kajing em jongki ka Dr. Sumer ka khmi lenti baling bakum kini ki program kan yarap yaki Khynnah bakin tep khambnya shaphang ka NEP 2024 ban RTE Act 2024 ki balong ki artali ki matri kam joka sarkar India haga thong ban penbha penmian bat penjana ya ka pule puthi nadu ka kerdan pre primary hadu kerdan higher secondary ki arngut ki riu syampang ki balawan ban ajing batai ya ki Khynnah haman ki blok jong ka district kat kum ka thong jong ka ni ka program ki long Dr. HH Moorman bat ULK Singh IE Coordinator SSA West Jaintia Hills District.
Remember, it's not the school, it's the fire within you that should burn. So therefore, I want that our students remember to be serious. Be good, be courageous, be brave to face the challenges. Challenges will always be there. There'll be peer pressure. There'll be, a lot of issues maybe you might be facing at home from the social perspective as well. However, learn to face them with courage. Be studious. Be true to yourself. That is very important, to be true to yourself. Each one of us will always have some problem or the other which we need to overcome. Remember, my dear students, we are living in an age where we say survival of the fittest. If you are fit, you'll be able to survive. If you are not fit, you will not survive. I know with technology today, distractions are many. Many students, they will spend most of their time scrolling their smartphones when you reach home. You will take your parents' phone and then you will be scrolling on all the unnecessary reels and all that. Please remember, if you look at the interview given to the toppers, okay, just means what I'm trying to be there. Them correct what be. Them cuma. There the chong and be. Hey, they look on me. One man that on chong. Them what correct what be. Me not be. Be true to yourself. But it be ali. If I live on there, thoughtว่าก็ quality correct what on key. Study smart, not hard. Okay, if you could combine hard and smart simultaneously, then it will be good. Otherwise, you will only study hard without being smart, then there's no point. You don't understand certain aspects, certain lines, certain contexts. You keep continuing reading, pura tuta become ongi pun macam no. The UN kan to you say to OP. Ite daw ongi interaction in the classroom is very important. You are now students. Your duty is to learn. Speak. Be open. Right? Have interaction with your teachers. This is so important. Because of that, you are coming to school to learn. So pick the best. Teachers are there to teach you. Teachers will be very happy if you would always stand up, if you would always interact, if you ask questions. I believe as teachers, they'll be the happiest person if you interact. We will hardly get students who interact. Jo beli jikli di gilang kan, class. Jangan.